Welcome back to Griddle Grub, and today we are going to be making some chicken wings and some taters on the Blackstone. And let's get in and check these ingredients and get this cook going. Alright, so we got, it's about 2 pounds, maybe it might be a little bit more of some chicken wings. We got, you know, the legs, the wings, all that good stuff. And then over here, we got some just frozen, they're basically tater tots. And then we got some buffalo sauce and some sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Now on the wings over here, we got I took them out, dried them, put some salt on them, let them sit in the fridge for a while to try and dry them out a little bit. Get out of here, fly. And yeah, that's basically it. So then we threw some rub on about, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. So yeah, I'm gonna get this griddle going and we're gonna throw them on. All right, got the griddle stone all warmed up. We're at about 400 over here. About I don't know, 350 over here. I'm on medium over here, low and off. So let's get some oil on here, and now let's spread it around. I'm gonna cook the wings over here on this side, and I'm gonna throw the taters over on the right side. All right, so let's get these going. I'm gonna throw the drums on first, because them usually take longer. You want it to be easier, just put them on there like this. Oh yeah. Nice sizzle. These are gonna be done in no time, I think. Put the drums on first because those usually take longer to cook. But I have a feeling these aren't going to take all that long. I'm going to throw the wing style ones. I'm going to throw them on after I flip these once. So yeah, let's go ahead and just cover them up. Just let them go. I'm gonna let them go for, let's start a timer. Let's get it going for 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna flip them, see how they look, and we'll check it out. All right, there's the alarm. Let's check these things out. Let me get the old tweezers. See how they look. Ooh. Oh man, you can smell that. Ooh boy. Come on. Stay over there. Let me turn that off. Alright, let's flip these things over, see how we're looking. Oh yeah, we're getting a nice cook on there already. There you go. Oh yeah, these are looking good. And you know what, I'm going to let these go a little bit longer before I put the wings on. So I want them to be done close to the same time. Come on, roll. Ooh, yeah, look at that. And actually, these ones on the bottom are cooking faster, so let's move them down a little bit. Move everything down. Yeah. Man, it smells so good. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a little bit more oil on. So it's kind of like we're frying them in there. All right, let's cover them back up. Another 2 minutes, see what's happening. All right, there's the timer. Stop that, let's see how we're looking. Ooh, doggy. Get out of here. All right. Oh yeah, now we're cooking up a little better that I moved them down. Yep. Oh, yes. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. There we go. And we're gonna get these wings on now too. Get these turned over, come on now. You need to get used to these little tongy, little like needle nose things, a little different. All right, yeah, let's keep them down here. And now I'm gonna throw another glove on. So I'm tired of washing my hands so much. So let's get these on here. Put that right there. All right. All right. There we go. Thank you, dear. Let's get rid of this. Now I'm not going to be able to cover them all up at once, so I'm going to put a little bit more olive oil in here. I'm going to cover these up since they're fresh on. There we go. We're going to leave these cooked just like this. Ooh, man, these are smelling good. All right. And then I'm gonna, after these are getting close, then I'm gonna throw the taters on and get that done. So, being back in, I don't know, 2 minutes. There's the timer. All right, see what we got. Now this is after 2 minutes. All right, we got a little bit of color action. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Yeah, look at that. All right. There we go. All right, let's throw a little more oil on. All right, cover it up. Another 2 minutes. Now I got these things cooking up good. They're looking good. You know, I'll throw a little bit more oil on these. There we go. All right, bring back 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes is up. Let's see what we got. Again, I moved these over just so I could do a little cleaning up on the griddle right here. Get these. There we go. Looking good. Move these down a little bit now. Little guy. That's gonna be done in no time. Oh yeah. There we go. You know what? I'm going to clean this area up right here. I'm going to put them all together now. I think we're good, and I'm going to cover them all up and let them sit. All right, so I got these two on low now. I'm going to push these all together. Man, that smells good. Get up here a little bit. Try and get them in somewhat of a circle so I can dome these. Get in there. Alright, let's just dome them up. Let them chill. Now, do a little bit cleaning right over here. Man, that smells so good. Alright. Put that there, let's put that back. Let's put a little bit of oil in here. There we go. Let that go for another couple minutes, and then I'm going to start taking temperatures and see where we're at. Alright, so the wings are done. Well, they're not done. They're up to temperature, though. We're good to go. A couple of them got a nice little char on them. Them are definitely mine. I love my chicken with some char. So let's see what we got here. We're going to have 400. I'm going to move it over here. Well, let's put that right there. We're done with that for the time being. You know what? Let's, I'm going to put the taters over here on this side. Get them going. So let's just clear a little way. Alright. That'll be good. Let's just clear a little way for that. Some of these guys on here. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, so let's Get these all in here. You know what I'm gonna do? Yeah, I'll just let them sit, that's fine. All right, so I'm gonna start separating some of these. Yep, all right, so we're gonna do buffalo and barbecue, so that's gonna be nice and easy. I'm gonna cover these up so it'll cook nice and good. All right, so yeah, let me get the sauces out. Check it out. All right, so let's put some sauces on these. We're gonna do some barbecue. Gotta do some Sweet Baby Ray's. All right. Then we got Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo. I'm gonna brush this stuff on a little better. Oh yeah. Fry it up, fry it up. Ooh. Whew, that sauce. Alright. I got these burners on low, so we're good. We are good. Alright, let's get some of this barbecue. Alright. Let them sit for a hot second. Let's check on these taters. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these are looking good. I can feel them starting to get a little crispy. Yep. Alright. Okay, let's get them back in here. Get these getting right again. Alright, good. Boom. Let's dive into this. A little hot, always gonna be good. All right, here we go. What should I do? Let's do buffalo first. Got some nice char on there. That's amazing. I love the rub that we put on these. They will not give me the recipe, but one of these days. That's good. All right, let's try Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. Got some nice char on that one too. It's like falling off the bone. That is delicious. So if you want to cook some wings at your Blackstone, don't be intimidated. It's really easy. Kind of just got to keep flipping them, keep them covered. Real easy, real easy. So that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Like and subscribe, smash that thumbs up, and let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.